Hello, my friends. Today is a happy day. I picked my fresh strawberries. From seed to sweet, today is my happy strawberry harvest. Growing strawberries from seeds takes a bit of patience, but it is incredibly rewarding. I will show you the two different ways. Growing them this way usually takes about 5 to 7 months from the day you plant the seed to the day you pick your first juicy strawberry. Step 1. Plant the seeds. Fill a small tray or tiny plastic cups with moist potting soil. Strawberry seeds need light to grow. Just press them very gently into the surface. Mix the top with water using a spray bottle. Cover the tray and put it in a warm room with plenty of sunlight. Step 2. Wait for sprouts. Check the soil every few days to make sure it stays damp but not soggy. Around 2 to 4 weeks, you will see tiny green sprouts pop up. Step 3. Growing in starter. Nearly 2 months in time, the babies grow into sturdy little plants with true leaves. Gently move one strawberry plant into each pot. Step 4. Moving to big pots nearly 100 days. The reward. Soon, when you see the white flowers will bloom. Once the flowers fade, a green berry forms. Give it a few weeks to turn bright red. It means the plants grow flowers, which turn into green berries, then red strawberries. Step 5. Care and harvest. Using a net, a mesh, is the absolute best way to save your strawberries. Birds love the bright red color and will peck at them right before you are ready to pick them. Since your strawberries are in pots, covering them is very easy. From seed to sweet. Today is my happy strawberry harvest. So happy to harvest my fresh strawberries today. Here is a homemade organic spray to prevent uninvited pests. Homemade orange peel water and chili water, natural ways to protect homegrown strawberries without using harsh chemicals. Bugs like aphids, tiny green bugs that suck sap, and slugs love sweet strawberry plants, but they absolutely hate the smell of citrus and the heat of chili. Option 1. Citrus peel water. Best for soft bugs like aphids, Mentine, orange, lemon, or grapefruit peels contain a natural oil called D-limonene. This oil destroys the protective coating on small bugs like aphids and spider mites, but it is totally safe for humans. Soak the peels of clementines, oranges, lemons, or grapefruits in warm water overnight in any container. The following day, filter out the peels and pour the citrus-infused water into your spray bottle. Add a few drops of dish soap and you are all done. How to use it? Spray it all over the leaves, including the undersides where bugs like to hide. It smells amazing to us, but bugs hate it. Option 2. Chili water. Best for keeping bugs from chewing leaves. Chili contains capsicum, which burns and scares away insects, caterpillars, and even birds or squirrels. See the video how I make it. Mix dry or wet chilies into warm water. Let it sit overnight, then strain the pieces out so your spray bottle doesn't clog. Add a few drops of dish soap. It's the best for making soapy water. But remember to wear sunglasses when making or using this homemade natural pest control to protect your eyes from any accidental damage or burns. Spray it onto the plant's leaves. Warning: avoid spraying chili water directly on the red strawberries or your berries could end up tasting spicy. Also, make sure to wear gloves and keep it away from your eyes. It's pretty risky, right? This homemade organic spray is best for pak choi too, or any type of vegetables. If you want to see how I harvest homegrown vegetables, leave me comments. I am happy to share with you guys. Oh wow, we all love organic foods that make us happy. I hope you enjoy my homegrown fruits and veggies. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below sharing your favorite homegrown produce. Happy gardening! Happy weekend! See you guys next time!